figured I'd switch it up a little bit this time. We're doing walks up a mountain with Dan. Here's the backstory. A buddy of mine, he's been up my ass about this for a long time. He's always been like, hey, let's walk up a mountain. Hey, let's walk up a mountain. And I've been like, no, it sounds like it sucks. I don't want to do that shit. I finally caved. And I'm trying to find it. Uh-huh. This is the gate that seals your fate. So I'm starting my jaunt up the hill with my impatient friend Dino. He's as pleasant as you'd expect, being my friend and all. That's about outdoorsy stuff in the vlog lately. Let me know if you like that idea. Still haven't figured out why I'm doing this. Lick them and see if they're live.
They are not live.
Should I lick them anyway? Chairlift cable?
Yeah.
Look at that, Illuminati confirmed.
What?
Just talking about Casey Neistat, he'll be like, I just went out for a quick 8-mile run. Yeah, okay. I don't think I would ever be there in my life, but that would be 2 weeks in the hospital. Okay, we're at the halfway point about, so it's a good walk. It's a lot of exercise. So I recommend that all of you do this.
Tell them where we are.
We are on Rib Mountain in the hidden ski trail that no one knows about. This is my buddy's walk, so I've never been here before. This is all alien to me. But
Are you surviving?
Yeah, I'm not doing too bad. I've been doing a lot worse if I hadn't started running, that's for sure. So I'm enjoying myself actually. It's a nice day. It's calm and peaceful except for bear noises. Something weird happened over there. Dino thinks it was a bear.
Yep.
Pretty sure of that?
I'm pretty sure of that, yes.
Alright. Pretty sure.
Hey, we're at the intersection of Sweet Return and Middle Kingdom Glades.
Alright. Are those ski hills?
I think those, I don't know, those are signs.
Their trails are something. And now we're going down the hill. Well, I think I'm going to move in here then. Too far of a walk to go back. That's a good place to stay, huh? I've sniped people out of this place in Wolfenstein, I swear to God. Words. Illuminati. Confirmed. There's a bench to sit down. And we're sitting. The Dynamite Trail.
Dynamite Shack.
Huh. It was 2.7 miles. Now we're going to go eat 27,000 calories of burritos. It was a good walk. I'll do it again. Ooh. It's a nice road here, you know? That was not as bad as I expected it to be. It was hard, but I enjoyed it. It was a good time. It was out in nature. Nothing bothers you. No one's around, and that's a good thing for me. I don't want people around when I'm all sweaty and shitty. It's a good workout. I'll do that again. Thanks for tuning in for a special edition of Runs Home with Dan. Have a good night.